Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can create a new tab or new window and work with it. So here is the example. So we have switched to new window page method that is doing this task. So it accepts one argument, that is tab or window. So if we provide tab, it will open a new tab, and if we provide window, it will open a new window, and that's it. So here is the example, and then we are switching to here new window because we are supplying window parameter, and then opening google.com URL, a new window, and then closing that, and then in the end we are waiting for 3 seconds. So let's run the test. nRoBo-FN key, run it. So test started running. Browser instance spun up. First open a new tab. Here open Google URL, and then closing this link, new tab. This time open a new window, open Google page, and then send that. That's it. Thank you.